fantastic night for yourself, despite the defeat. Was it great to finally make your debut for Wales?
Yes, of course. It's something you dream about when you're a young boy, and obviously to play tonight it's a fantastic honour, and I'm really proud to represent my country.
And of course you've been involved in the team for quite some time, and it's quite a key member behind the scenes as well, as everybody is. So it must be great now to finally sort of become part of the team out on the pitch too.
Well, there's a great togetherness within the squad. Each of the boys bounce off each other, and it's a great spirit to have within the camp, and everyone's buzzing to meet up together. So it's fantastic to be a part of this. It's a great time to be involved in Welsh football, and a great time to be Welsh.
And before the match, was you given a nod by Chris at all? Did you expect to make your debut tonight? Did he tip you off?
No, nothing. I was told to keep myself warm, and obviously I got the shout then. So thoroughly, honoured to go on the pitch and obviously play here at home at Cardiff.
And in terms of the match against the Netherlands, I think there's plenty to take out of the game. It may have lost, but there's some great performances right across the pitch.
Yes, definitely. And it's very difficult, after all the hype and the highs of what's been achieved here, to sort of carry that momentum on. It's very difficult, but on a whole we did very well against a very good side. They've got some fantastic players, which we showed. It was on show tonight. It was a good game for us, and we move on now and get prepared for France.
And I think that's quite key, isn't it, in terms of the excitement of the past few months, and in particular the last time that Wales played at the Cardiff City Stadium. It's probably quite hard to get back into the mode of playing, but the players seem to have done it. They seem to got their heads down and are just back in that mode of looking to try and build towards something again.
Yes, definitely. I mean, in some ways you have to try and put it behind you, I suppose, and look to the future and see what's to come. Because we didn't, obviously we regrouping after what's been achieved. We know what's ahead, and that's what we're working on doing.
And are you looking forward to the Euros next summer?
Oh, I can't wait. I think being a Welshman, being a proud Welshman, I'm just buzzing that my country is going to be in France in a major tournament. Certainly hasn't been done by Wales in a very, very long time, so I think the whole of Wales will be in France come next summer.
And just finally, just going back to you making your debut, are you expecting plenty of phone calls and text messages from family and friends about getting on the pitch tonight?
Well, you know what, it's there's a lot of people behind me, and I'm very grateful for everyone that I've got behind me. I mean, it's been a long road, I suppose, in many ways, and I'm very grateful and very thankful of all the people I have around me that's given me this opportunity to represent my country.
Brilliant! Congratulations once again, and well done.
Thank you very much.